Hello, crew members. I hope your spring is off to a fantastic start. We have some dates here at Crew Network that we want to make sure you are aware of and are on your calendar. Friday, May 19th is the deadline to register for the Spring Leadership Summit and to complete your Take Flight assessment. Complete your personalized online assessment by May 19th to receive a comprehensive report in Oklahoma City and maximize the value of this training. The training and the reports will help you gain a greater understanding of your leadership style and your impact in the workplace and in your chapter. It's also really fun. If you're planning on attending ICSC Las Vegas later this month, be sure to reserve your deal-making table at the Crew Network booth, attend our networking reception, and make valuable connections with fellow members. You can find all of the details on the Crew Network website under the Events tab, and I look forward to seeing you there. And on May 25th, Crew Network will host a webinar Wednesday on the Resurgence of U.S. Mexico manufacturing. This is a timely topic for anyone doing business in the industrial or logistic sectors. You can register as an individual or host a group viewing in your local market. Mid-year membership events and promotions are just around the corner. Be thinking of potential crew members that you can recruit, and chapter leaders, be sure to attend the Crew Network Chapter Leader Success Series session on May 25th and leverage mid-year membership campaigning in your chapter recruitment planning. And finally, it's Member May for Crew Network Foundation. Throughout the entire month of May, all members can donate to the foundation on behalf of or in honor of a fellow member. When you give on behalf of a fellow member, you help your chapter reach the Chapter Challenge 50% member giving goal. And in fact, some chapters are shooting for 100% member giving this year. Remember, the more you put into your crew membership, the more value you will receive in return. Don't miss out on these business, networking, leadership development, and giving opportunities in the month of May. I look forward to seeing you at a Crew Network event soon.